Loosen the clamping screw at the bottom of the stem. Rotate the stem 180 degrees to ensure the light faces the front of the bike. Loosen the stem clamp bolts and remove the front light. Center the handlebar on the front ring of the stem. Tighten 4 bolts. Retighten the clamping screw, but don't fully tighten it yet. Insert the seat post into the tube and adjust it to your desired height. Remove the drop protection. Turn the bike upside down. Remove the brake caliper cover. Insert the wheel axle into the fork dropouts. Ensure that the springs on the skewer are positioned with the narrow ends facing inward and the preload spring is placed in the sequence as shown. Insert the skewer through the wheel hub with the lever on the non-drive side. Tighten the nut until it is snug against the fork dropout but still allows the lever to move. Close the quick release lever. Twist the handlebars until the wheel is aligned with the handlebars and fork. Tighten the clamp bolt using a 4mm Allen key. Rotate the handlebars to adjust the angle until you find a comfortable position. A common starting point for the brake lever angle is to have the levers pointing downward at a 35 to 45 degree angle. Once you find the desired brake lever angle, tighten the stem clamp bolts evenly in a crisscross pattern using a 4mm Allen key. Identify the pedal marked with an L for left or R for right. Thread the pedal into the crank arm by hand. Then use a 15mm open-end wrench to tighten it to a torque of 35 Newton-meters. Locate the 3 connectors at the bottom of the display. Connect the one that matches the shape of the corresponding connector on the display's bottom. Add the first method to install the fender. Place the fender underneath the fork arch of the front wheel and insert the M6 screw. Install the L bracket to the front fork. Install the fender stay to the L brackets. Method 2. Position the fender underneath the fork arch of the front wheel and insert the M6 screw. Insert the nut into the bracket's hexagonal hole. Then, screw it in to securely fasten the fender stay to the brackets.